Subject pronouns. Complete the following sentences. There are 15 questions. You have 5 seconds to answer. You can pause the video if you need more time. Good luck. Paul is happy. He is happy. The crayons are mine. They are mine. My bike is blue. It is blue. Peter and you are friends. You are friends. This lion is big. It is big. The birds are singing. They are singing. Pam and I are sisters. We are sisters. Paolo has a mustache. He has a mustache. The roses are beautiful. They are beautiful. The cat is cute. It is cute. My grandparents live in London. They live in London. The cars are old. They are old. Our mother is working. She is working. Those people are doctors. They are doctors. You and Sam are students. You are students. Thanks for watching. See you in our next lesson.